Now to that wildfire burning in a remote section of the Rincon Mountains. The bolt fire is still raging this afternoon, but officials say some progress was made overnight in the northeast area. It's happening northeast of Sabino Canyon in a remote area of the Rincon Mountains. Coronado National Forest officials say it's sitting at 23% containment at this point and has charred about 420 acres. No structures are at risk, which is good news, and there's no word yet on what caused the fire. The only closure in place is Rose Canyon Lake, which they tell us will be closed from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. until tomorrow.